Okay, we have a Hurco Vertical Machining Center model Vmx30, serial number M342-6001V0 or ODHA. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Hurco Ultimax twin screen control. Right now we are running 8,000 RPM. Oh, 3,000. I'm sorry, 3,000 RPM. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. It's Cat 40. You have a 24 position side mount tool change. That's 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM. You have a 40 by 20 T-slotted table with 30 inches of X travel, 20 of Y, and 24 of Z. We're going to simulate a tool change. Okay, one more. Great. You have telescopic steel weight covers as well. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. The machine is original paint. Hey, thank you for watching our video.